am Haishri and our team has developed the project CiviScan AI, which reports civic issues with AI intelligence. As we know, every city has problems like potholes, broken street lights, overflowing drains, but most go unreported because reporting is too hard. But our platform CiviScan changes that. It's an AI powered civic platform where citizens report issue with camera, voice or text, and government gets a live analytic dashboard to act on them. As you can see that you can report issue and you can view the city map also. There is real time AI detection. Then AI camera detection is there, smart heat map. You can see this feature of prioritiness, voice reporting, government dashboard, and citizens reward. As you can see that currently I am logged in as Anmol with my demo email. So let us report the one issue. You can do the directly camera scan or you can upload the image. Currently I'm uploading the image. I'm uploading the image of garbage. So AI is analyzing the image and you can see that it is detecting as a sewage overflow waste. So sewage overflow detected. So one can renew it, means change the title sewage overflow and garbage problem. And the description is ready by AI. You can give the voice input also. Water drainage is the problem. You can go ahead with get my location to provide the exact location where it is. It depend on the thing. You can submit this problem, you can review, and then you can file the complaint. As you can see, your issue is highlighted here. Previous issues are also there, like pothole detected, and all these are the things. You can see that we are classifying the problems into the critical, high, medium, low level. You can view all the problems which are pending, which are in progress, and which are resolved. You can see all the state. There is a feature of map. You can see that we have divided the things into the zones. There is one critical zone, areas covered, map issues, all these things. You can see that two problems are of Aligarh and one of here. So there are zones. You can see the dashboard also. That is total in all till now 3 complaints are there. One is critical issue. You can see the priority breakdown and the complaint filed in the last 7 days. Complaints by category. You can see that 2 complaints are of road and infrastructure and one is of sanitation and waste, which we have filed currently. And you can see the department also, public works department and municipal sanitation board department. And there is a feature of CiviBot also, in which you can ask anything if you face any issue. Suppose I write how do I report a pothole. So potholes are high priority issue. Go to report and fill location and description, submit. You will earn 20 points. We have feature of point system also. As you can see, I have filed a complaint. So report an issue. So I have got 10 point. Issue is resolved, I will get 30 points. Report verified, then I will got 20 points. And community votes your report, then I will got plus 5 point. So currently I am a rookie reporter. As soon as my points are going to increase, my stage will also increase as community helper, active citizen, senior reporter, and city guardian. So all these are the things. You can see here you can register as a government official also. By logging, you have got 2 options. So this is our project. Thank you.